Join me as I challenge myself to embrace every fleeting body sensation for a whole week in search of inner peace. Embracing impermanence in body sensations is a concept that can change life, and I believe it can do the same for you. It is about acknowledging that our physical feelings are constantly shifting, and that is what makes them so beautiful. By letting go of our attachment to specific sensations, we can find a sense of inner peace that we never thought possible. We have all been there, feeling stressed, anxious, or uncomfortable because we are clinging to a certain sensation or feeling. Maybe it is the rush of endorphins after a great workout, or the feeling of relaxation after a massage. Whatever it is, we tend to hold on to it for dear life, and when it is gone, we are left feeling unsatisfied or even desperate to get it back. This clinging not only creates stress and discomfort but also prevents us from living in the present moment. We often try to recreate that sensation, whether it is through repeating an action or seeking out a specific experience. But the truth is, we can never truly recreate it because our body and mind are constantly changing. This pursuit of a fleeting feeling can become an endless cycle of craving and disappointment. Moreover, it blinds us to the beauty of the present moment and the array of sensations that are already available to us. When we cling to a particular sensation, we are not just clutching at a feeling, we are also resisting the natural flow of life. We are saying, "No, I don't want to feel this way right now. I want to feel that way instead." This resistance creates tension in our bodies and minds, leading to more stress and discomfort. It is like trying to hold water in our cupped hands. The harder we grip, the more it slips through our fingers. By acknowledging the impermanent nature of body sensations, we can begin to release this clinging and live more freely. We can appreciate the beauty of a sunset without trying to freeze it in time, or enjoy a good conversation without needing to relive it. We can be present in the moment without the burden of attachment. Our body sensations are like the weather, constantly shifting, changing, and evolving. Sometimes the sun is shining bright, sometimes the rain is pouring down. If we can learn to accept this impermanence, we can find a sense of peace that is not dependent on a specific feeling or sensation. We can be okay with whatever arises, whether it's pleasure, pain, or something in between. This acceptance is not about resigning ourselves to feeling miserable or stuck. It is about embracing the full range of human experience with all its ups and downs. By doing so, we can cultivate a sense of emotional resilience that allows us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and grace. We can be like a willow tree bending and flexing in the wind rather than a rigid oak that is prone to breaking. When we embrace the transient nature of body sensations, we can begin to see that true peace and happiness are not dependent on a specific feeling or outcome. They arise from our ability to be present, to be open, and to be kind to ourselves. This is the greatest insight that by letting go of attachment to certain sensations, I have found a sense of inner peace that is more profound and lasting. In summary, embracing impermanence in body sensations is a powerful path to inner peace. By letting go of our attachment to specific feelings, we can cultivate a sense of emotional resilience, appreciate the beauty of the present moment, and find peace that is not dependent on external circumstances. Thanks for watching, and I would love to hear about your own experiences with body sensations in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on mindfulness and inner peace. I will see you in the next one.